Hey everybody, welcome back to Nicsminibikes. Today we're going to step out of our mini bike comfort zone and do a little work on my 2019 Chevy Silverado. It's snowing outside. The truck says it's 29 degrees. And I believe it, it's cold. We got a 2-hour trip tomorrow morning and it's going to be just as cold, if not colder tomorrow. And my heater's not working. 2019, really? Whatever. So I think it's the blower motor. So yeah, turn the heat up all the way. I don't really do nothing. It's this one here. You can see it adjusting it there on the screen. But I got nothing blowing out. So I'm thinking it's the blower motor. I already checked the fuses and the panels, they're good. So we're gonna crawl into the dash, pull that blower motor out and replace it. I got one off of Rockauto. It's the cheapest place I could find one, so that's what I went with. So come along for the ride. Let's put a new blower motor in this 2019 Chevy Silverado. It's snowing. It's kind of relaxing out in the snow when it's snowing, but not when you start to freeze. So we're in the passenger side of the truck. There's the dash. And blower motor is right underneath here. Right up there, somewhere right there. That right there's our blower motor. That's our fan connector, and that's the connector to the truck. We want to disconnect this one. I pull that little red tab down. Unplug that one. Then this piece here is just a cover. We're going to take that off. Just like that. We got that piece off. And we got 3 bolts to take out here. We got this one. Yep. We got that one. We got that one. And we got, where is it? Over here. That one. They're T20s. So it's hard for me to hold the camera and do that, so I'll get those 3 out and bring it back when I'm dropping it out. Got those 3 bolts pulled. Now we'll just wiggle this on out of here. So we got that old blow motor out of there. Here's our new one. Let's get it taken out. Let's set you down and get this out of the box. And here's our new one. Old one, new one. Fan's a little different, but that's okay, no big deal. On this side, everything looks pretty good. Let me get that wiggled up in there. We'll make sure this wire's out of the way. We'll just tuck it under the carpet for a second. Just tuck it under the carpet for a second. Just hold it out of the way for us. Then we'll take this new motor. This way. Just get it finagled into place. maybe. There it is. Our wire escaped and got up underneath there on us anyway, but we got it out now. Now she sits in place. That bolted in. Bring it back. Got that last bolt going in there. Just get it by hand for now. We got all 3 of those bolts started. I'm just gonna snug them up now. It is plastic, so I don't want to go too crazy. This one here, this one under here is kind of a pain to get to. That's in there. That cover, there's nowhere for it to clip to on the new motor, so we'll leave it off. And now we'll just plug this in. Make sure those wires are tucked up. And that's it. Let's see if it works. We got airflow. I don't know if you can hear it or not. Just blow it in your face. So there we go. That new blower motor put in our truck. I know it's not mini bike related, but it's cold outside. I need a heater tomorrow, putting it in anyway, so why not bring you guys along for the ride. I planned on finishing up that RSV today, but I got up and there was snow on the ground and not rolling around in that today. Normally I would, but I don't want to today, so I didn't. So that's it. There you go. Now if you never need to put a blower motor in a 2019 Chevy Silverado, I think it's 2019, 2024, same thing for all those years. Now you know how easy it is, and you can tackle that by yourself. Make sure you hit that link in the description. Go check out the merchandise, pick you up a shirt, a hoodie, a hat, or all 3. You know, that'd be cool. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And as always, we'll catch you on the next one.